This is a part out of the refrigerator. Part of that one with the drawer I just glued the other day. Now I got to put this together. Use our stuff. Well, I'll tell you what, they just don't give you much. I guess they expect you to. Running out of time. Alright, then we stick it together. And then I've got to hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, we're just going to keep enough pressure on it just to hold it together. That's all we can do. Alrighty. Well, didn't do too good, did it? Okay, we're going to try this plastic repair epoxy. This one here, the first one, is not equal amounts. I want to put plenty on here. Well, let's see how this one worked out. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Much better. Much better. Alrighty. Okay. Well, let's go. Let's go put it in the fridge. You can see where the break was. And it seems to be holding well. So let's stick her in there and get her done. This is the one with the crack. Was. And there we go. Now somebody tell me if I keep vegetables and fruit in there, does this thing go in the center? Because I don't know. I'll bet one of you cooks would know. So let me know.